Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question for you pertaining to what to say coordinate geometry and triangles in general. So let's take a look at the question itself. Triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C dash lie on the coordinate plane with vertices at A is 0, 0, B 0, 12, C 16, 0, A dash 24, 28 or 24, 18, B 36, 18, B dash 36, 18 and C dash 24, 2. A rotation of m degree clockwise around the point xy where 0 is less than m and m is less than 180 will transform triangle ABC to triangle A dash B dash and C dash. So find m plus x plus y. Okay, so let me just draw the coordinate axis of the same so that we can have a better understanding of the question itself. Suppose this is, we started from here. We don't have negative part, so we can actually utilize this plane as much as possible. So suppose, sorry, my bad. See, this is my y-axis. And see, I'm drawing my x-axis here. Okay, so this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. So let me mark a few points so that I can get a better understanding on the same. So this is my coordinate point, this is 0, the say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, or the 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40. Similarly, let me mark it here as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 34. So okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's simply try and draw the circle itself. So we have point A at 0, 0. Okay, so this is our 0, 0 point A. Point B is at 0, 12. So point B is this one. This is A. Wait, I'll mark it later on. And point C is at 16, 0. So this is point C. So let me just draw this circle. So the circle, sorry, draw this triangle here, and this is my triangle here. So here we have A, this is B, and this is C. Alright, so now let me again mark out the points itself for A dash. A dash is 24, 18. So 24 is here, So let me just draw. If I'm to take up this point 24,18, 18 comes out to be somewhere here, and 24 so this is my A dash. Subsequently B is 36, 18. So let me just continue this again, and this is 36. 36, 18. So this is my point number B dash, and subsequently C is 24, 2. C is 24, 2. So this particular point will be C dash. So let me just draw the circle here as well. This is A dash, this is B dash, and this is C dash. And I'm drawing the triangle. Okay, so these are my two triangles. So here, once we are done sketching, it is clear that 90-degree rotation is done about. So this is the triangle. We have basically rotated it by 90 degree. The A went up, B went this side. So here it is clear rotation is 90 degree by the figure itself, because A is moving up, A's position is this, B's position is this, so everything has been rotated by 90 degrees. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now if I am to find out the coordinates of this as well, here x plus y if we simply compare the points of this as well, from 0 to we have here 24, 18. So basically x plus y is 18. I'm just considering changes from 0, 0 to this particular point. Let me just this is 24, 18. This one is 36, 18, and this one is 24, 2. Okay, so I'm just comparing this. So for x plus y there is 18, and x minus y, it comes out to be 24. So if you solve this, we get x equal to 21 and y equal to 20, or y equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. So therefore we have m equal to 90, x equal to 21, and subsequently y is equal to minus 3. So if I add this up, so m plus x plus y, this would basically give me 90 plus 21 minus 3, which is 108. So this is my final answer. So hopefully this thing is clear. The question can be easily solved by just plotting the graph of the same, so that we can have a better idea. So hopefully you understood how we went about solving this particular question. It is minus 3. So with that said, I believe this particular sum is clear as far as the explanation and everything goes. So I'm signing out. Thank you so much.